Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on domain registration with GoDaddy, full guide step by step clearly. To save on domain registration with GoDaddy, follow this comprehensive guide. Start by visiting the GoDaddy website. Use the search bar to enter the domain name you wish to register. Click on the search icon to check the availability. If your desired domain is available, it will be displayed along with pricing options. Consider alternative domain extensions if your preferred choice is taken. Review any available promotions or discounts on the website. Select the domain you want and add it to your cart. Before proceeding to checkout, explore any add-ons or services. Decide if you need privacy protection, which can help secure your personal information. Check for promotional codes online that can apply at checkout. Once you've made your selections, go to your cart. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Proceed to the checkout page. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Fill in your billing information and select your payment method. Confirm your order details one last time. Complete your purchase and check your email for confirmation. Once registered, you can manage your domain settings from your GoDaddy account. Remember to renew your domain before it expires to avoid losing it. Explore options for bulk registration if you need multiple domains, which can save money in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.